In this video we'll talk about building sections. Here's a 94 by 40 meter slab prepared. We'll create some carpets for this and then we'll divide it to building sections. So the necessary steps will be to create base reinforcements using this command. After that we will create the allocations with this. Then we'll create building sections. These will be marked by rectangles. This command will put a red circle to the bottom left corner of the carpets. We need to put this circle into that building section in which we want the carpet to be allocated. This point can be redefined, by the way, to any vertex of the carpet from the context menu. But by default it will be the bottom left corner of the carpet. After this, we will be setting the laying order of the carpets with this command. It will number the carpets according to this order. After that, we'll go over to the plot view and we'll set all the necessary viewports.